In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional email in GoDaddy. If you want your business or brand to look more professional, using an email address connected to your own domain is a great place to start. Instead of using a generic email provider, you can create an address that matches your website, which helps build trust and makes your communication look more polished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that inside your GoDaddy account. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your domain and email products are already connected. Once you're inside the account dashboard, look for your profile section. This is usually located near the top area of the page, and it gives you access to your account options and purchased services. From the profile menu, click on My Products. This page shows everything associated with your GoDaddy account, including domains, hosting, and email services. Take a moment to locate the section labeled Email and Office. That's where you'll manage your professional email setup. When you find Email and Office, click Setup. This will start the email creation process. GoDaddy will then ask you to choose the domain name you want to use for your professional email. If you have more than one domain in your account, be careful to select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple websites or brands. Once you've chosen the right domain name, click Continue to move forward. At this stage, you'll be asked to fill out the necessary details for the new email account. This typically includes the email address you want to create and other required setup information. Choose an email name that is professional, simple, and easy to remember. In most cases, something like info, contact, support, or your role-based name works well for business use. As you complete the form, double-check everything for accuracy so you don't run into issues later. After you've filled out all the required details, click Create. GoDaddy will then process the request and generate your new professional email account. Once the setup is complete, your email should be ready to use, and you can continue with any additional configuration if needed inside your email dashboard. That's it. You've successfully set up a professional email in GoDaddy. Taking a few minutes to do this can make a big difference in how your business is presented online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.